This morning in our Today Climate series, we're going to talk about rewilding our lawns, bringing them back to their natural state. A lot of folks are rethinking what a beautiful lawn can look like. In fact, I even tried it. I turned part of my lawn into a wildflower meadow.
That's
Beautiful.
nice.
So here to walk us through this rewilding concept, Joanna Hall, CEO of Planet Wild. It's a native landscape design business. And Murray Fisher, her business partner. Joanna, Murray, good morning. Welcome.
Good morning.
Good to see you guys.
Craig and I are ready to go.
We're ready. Got our gloves on.
So happy to be
Before
here.
we dig in here, what exactly is rewilding?
Well, the concept is that we've developed so much of the earth that we sort of pushed her to the brink of an ecological collapse. And so we see it in our storms, our changing climate, and the loss of species. So we're trying to figure out how can we bring back nature in the places where we've lived. And one of the best and easiest places to do it is our lawn. We have 44 million acres of lawn across America.
Jeez.
5 times larger than our national parks, larger than any agricultural crop, and a perfect blank canvas for having a joyful rewilding experience.
We got a patch of lawn here. So what are we going to do here? What are we going to do with this sod?
So we are going to walk you through how easy it is to rewild. We're actually launching a challenge right now to help folks do this on their own property. And so we're going to start right here by actually digging up a little bit of lawn. So right here, if you want to grab this, I
Take
know
that
it's a little
knife there,
scary,
you come into the middle.
but we've already cut it ahead. This part right here.
You can start right
And so what we're asking
There you
everyone
go.
to
Like a
do
cake.
as part of this challenge is give back 5, start with, you can do more certainly, but about 5 feet by 5 feet of their property. That's about 25 square feet. Give that portion of your lawn back to nature.
you go.
And so what would I then do with this
Well,
sod?
right now I'll take it, but normally you would just flip it over near the area that you're rewilding, and then you're just exposing the dirt. You can plant more plants right on top of there.
Oh, I love that.
So it just sort of smothers
So you're
the
not
soil
wasting
there.
it.
No,
We're not
and,
gonna
and by
waste
the way, it requires less water to water the lawn now,
Oh,
too.
absolutely. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll get into that over here.
Okay.
So now we've got this beautiful patch of dirt.
Yes.
Here we are, so zoom out.
Okay.
And so what we're going to do, the most important next step of rewilding is planting native plants.
Okay. Did you have to prep the soil at all with anything?
Not at all. All we did
Okay.
was prep by digging a few little holes here.
Great.
If you want to get in the middle, I'm actually going to pass
Okay.
these native plants to you.
So what do we
You can
have?
just put them in anywhere.
Yeah.
We've got that's
Okay.
wild indigo. You can just
Okay.
put that in there.
Now,
this is echinacea.
When you think of
beautiful
like
attractor.
wild, I just think tall and unruly and out of control. I mean, how do you make sure it doesn't just like overtake to the point where you can't walk through it?
Right. Well, a lot of people in the rewilded areas, they'll actually just walk around it. Maybe not use it like a yard as much. It's more that you're returning it back sort of to the woods or to the forest. It's like a succession.
Okay.
And it may get a little bit wild. It may get a little bit unruly, but you can maintain it. You can cut it how you want. We call it curating the garden. You can go out and weed it selectively.
Okay.
Or you can let it grow as wild as you like. It's really up to your
Let's get
individual
you-
So
taste.
what about maintenance once you've got this going?
So
that's
the
a good-
beauty of rewilding is native plants actually require less maintenance and less water. So they're very easy to take care of. They're very hardy and resilient. The only thing you want to keep in mind for rewilding is to leave your leaves. So
Leave your leaf.
nature has already designed the perfect mulch, and it's your own leaves.
Yeah.
And so we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle some of these leaves.
those. So these maple leaves, so when they fall, you can, instead of paying to have them removed,
Right.
this is your perfect mulch. It provides nutrients for your plants and your trees. It smothers the weeds that may come in. It
Right.
retains moisture, and it provides habitat for pollinators that are going to come back to your native garden. This is what it'll look like. That will look like 6 months later.
And what about composting?
Composting, we love composting. We take our food waste and we compost that. You can dump that near here as well.
It's a great concept, guys.
Really
This
good
is fantastic.
concept.
I
Really
love what you're
terrific.
doing. Joanna Murray, thank you. Come back, by the way. To learn more about the Less Lawn, More Life Challenge, head to today.com. You don't have to go to the website. You're already doing it.
I'm doing it,
know,
baby.
this is
Third
great.
hour of Today right back after
I need
this.
a lawn.